Bohemian vacation. How's it going out there?
Good. A little rainy today.
A little rainy here in the desert. Again, it's been a strange summer up here. But let's get to the markets. It's been a while since we chatted. Bear market Fridays, I always like to say we rally during bear markets on Fridays. It was a weak rally, but rally from the low of the day, which again was that 1300 area. I think we're going to 1290. You say 1286, 1285. So let's call it
83 quarter, I believe. So yeah, that's where I think we're at.
So let's call it a tie. We're finally going to break this 1300, and really how you get there, I think, how you get that extra 15 points. Once you break that 1301, we've been in this 1301, 1315 range, I think. So just mirror the move. Once it finally breaks 1301 during regular market hours, we did break that once, but it was 1295 overnight. I discount all overnight action always. It has to happen during the regular market. So we're doing it right
here. The Bulls don't discount it when it happens. The Bulls don't discount it when it happens overnight on the buy side.
I'm just saying. I discount all.
Playing fair ball here.
Yeah, I discount all actions overnight.
They say that's bullish, right?
Yeah, right. It was very bullish. So here's a couple things I had in my notes here that I wanted to chat with you about. Banks' financials continue to be weak. We've talked about that. We've beat it to death. But another thing let's talk about that we haven't talked about is trannies. If you haven't looked at the trannies and all the tranny bulls that were out there for so long, this thing has been ugly for really all last week. The trannies sold off ugly. And really since the high in April of that 2647 area on the trannies, this thing is ugly. It's breaking down. Any thoughts?
Yeah, I do have thoughts. And I think the trannies are digesting the uncertainty of crude here.
Okay. And crude's breaking down.
Because the trannies like crude going up. I don't get why, because they're passing cost on. But
right.
Yep, that's what I think.
But I think you got to watch this 2350. The obvious levels 2350 to 2600. We've been in this range on the trannies now for it's 9 months. Let's call it, going back to once we entered this range. That was October of 10. So we're coming up on almost a year. It'll be a year in the fall where this range has been playing, which is very similar to the rest of the markets. Oil's breaking back down again. 95's here. Again, I've said any bounces on oil crude, you got to sell. I continue to maintain the same stature. On all these, everything is pretty much, you shouldn't be chasing any false breakouts right now because that's all you're seeing is false breakouts. Any thoughts there?
All soft commodities are weak today. I think the only one that was up earlier was cocoa. There's nothing here for me to buy. I'm not buying anything here. But I'll tell you what, the gold bugs, and I'm not calling you gold guys names, you sure do look like the smartest person in the room. So,
well, again,
congratulations.
If you've been long gold since 1999, 98, when the monthly buy signal came in, there's been nothing to do there. It's just buy and hold. So,
as long as there's a Federal Reserve, there's a reason to own metals. So
here we are, 1298, 7:07, 37 minutes into the day. Again, when we started this conversation, we're at 1304. We've already fallen 6. So you and I get on, and the markets get a little hesitant, I think. I don't know what's going on.
I like to move it.
But seriously, Fridays, I said this Friday, I said on the Twitter stream, I said, listen, bear market Fridays, they can be sold, and here we are, we're down 16 points. You chase that silly on Friday, and you're left holding your pants and with no drawstring. So heed our word. So let's call it 1280 to 1290. We say we're going to hit probably today. It even looks like we've got this whole debt ceiling noise. It's noise. They're going to raise it.
It's all noise.
It's all noise. Yeah. Let's talk Rupert Murdoch. Noise again.
Noise. Trap.
All noise. All diversion. Doesn't mean anything to the little guy, but it's fun to talk about.
Sure. I have a tune to take us out of here with, so if you want to...
Let's do it. Let's wrap it up. Let's keep it short and simple.
Let's move it down.
All right, man. Have a safe trip back.
I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to...
Let's trade them.